First of all, we'll learn to draw some basic drawing techniques like line drawings. जैसे डांस और क्रिकेट से पहले वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज होती है, सेम वे वी कैन डू दिस वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज to increase our drawing skill. So let's start with line practice. So first of all, we'll practice for draw straight line without help of scale. So we'll start with standing line. So you have to practice to draw standing line. You can do this practice in any of your book. आपके पास जो कोई भी बुक पड़ी है, आप उसमें ऐसे लाइन ड्राइंग की प्रैक्टिस करोगे. This we have do this up to down, then we have to practice for down to up also. Okay, then slant line up to down, down to up, then this side slant line, up to down, down to up, then slipping lines, left to right, and right to left. So this technique helps you to draw a shape without help of scale. Why we are doing this practice? Because when we are drawing any shape, like when we are drawing triangle, so that time what we are drawing lines only. So it will help us to draw without help of scale. So this practice you have to do minimum 70 to 100 times to draw, improve your drawing skill. Now we will, using this line, we'll learn to draw our first basic shape. So today I will teach you, it is a picture of castle, how to draw a castle look like a 3D. मतलब castle को 3D कैसे दिखाना है. So it is a simple castle. So we'll learn how to draw this kind of castle in 3D shape. So let's start. Before start the drawing, I suggest you one thing. Please draw all the shapes very light-handed so you can rub it easily. Otherwise, your drawing look very untidy. So first of all, I'm drawing darkly because if I draw very lightly, so you can't see it very clearly. So let's start. First of all, I will draw one rectangle shape, or two small rectangles on the both side on the equal height. Okay, then a small rectangle or knit that is a smaller and a width on the both side. Okay, again. One more small rectangle and having a slipping line on the top of it. Now here you can see I have draw straight lines. Okay, now it is look like a 2D shape, but if we want to illustrate it like a 3D, so we have to change the shape little bit. हमें शेप में थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Before that we'll do one thing. यहाँ पे here we draw little bit bigger line and we'll draw one shape on the both side. Okay, here on the top also. Now what we will do, you can see here these are straight lines, here these are straight line. So what we'll do, we'll make it bit curve line. इसको हम थोड़ा सा curve line में turn कर देंगे. So we'll make it like a curved. Same here. In the bottom side we also having straight line, so that will also make a little bit curve line. Now we'll erase the extra lines. So here you can see it's look like a little bit 3D. Now we'll draw a triangle shape on it. You can see here I draw a bit longer line than the shape. So first I will draw a triangle shape. Then I just joined this triangle shape using a curve line like this. So it looked like a 3D on the both side. Same here. Draw triangle shape and joined it with the curve line. Here also. And here. Now this line will also do little bit curve. and we'll draw this line little bit dark. But here we draw a downside curve line like this, and here we draw upside curve line like this. Now we'll remove the extra lines. Now we'll draw gate. Small windows. Now in the gate and windows, this area, I'll draw a small another line over here, and I will make it a little bit dark. So it's look like a 3D. In window also, we'll repeat the same thing. Now make your all the lines dark. So here this shape is look like a little bit curved or 3D. So in our next video, I'll teach you to draw more pictures. Thank you students. Bye bye.